Hi, this is Racha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial video, I'll show you how to do yarn over K2 together with the P3 in the front. And this is a question request by one of the viewer, and her question is as you see, P3 yarn over K2 together to last 3 stitches and then P3. So this is how I start, by purl 3 as usual. 1, 2 and 3. I'm voicing over it so it's not completely matching. And now we have the yarn in front already and ready to K2 together. The yarn in the front will create the yarn over effect without bringing the yarn anywhere because it's already in the front. So just go ahead and knit the next 2 stitches together, leaving the yarn in the front just like that. Okay, so knit 2 together and bring the yarn over that needle and wrap it and then knit. Slip them both off the needle. You still got this yarn over effect without have to move the yarn back and forth. Okay, but the next one, when the yarn over, we have to bring it to the front because the yarn is now at the back. We have to bring it to the front in order to create the yarn over stitch. So we're gonna knit 2 together again, yarn over the needle and knit. Okay, and then we're gonna repeat that, yarn over and knit 2 together like that, and then keep doing that until you come to the last 3 stitches. And then we're gonna do P3, yarn over, knit 2 together. So here we are at the last 3 stitches. So what we're gonna do, look at the instruction. It said to P3, yarn over K2 together to last 3 stitches and then P3. So we're gonna bring that yarn in the front as we normally do when we purl, and we're gonna purl that last 3 stitches as usual, and that will be complete for this instruction. Okay, I hope this video help you understand a little bit better about yarn over and yarn over after purl stitch and yarn over before knit stitch. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Ruth, for sending in your request. See you soon. Bye bye.